diamonds on your neck, bet they on your neck. You want that watch, you better rock it tech. You want the chain, you better cop a vest. You want the check, but can you make it stretch?
A bit delayed today. So, welcome to Virtuals, bringing you the good news and the bad news of crypto. My name is Wayne.
And my name is Manish.
If you like money in crypto, make sure to hit the subscribe button. So today, guys, we're going to talk about waves, price prediction, what is it, and should you buy this? Again, not financial advice. Let's rock and roll. So waves. Let's see. On the price prediction right now is at 1883. 1x today's price, market cap $1.8 billion, right? So of course 2x will be 37, 10x $188, 20x $376, and 100x your $18 can become 1,883. So of course let's look at the market cap. 2x it will be 3.7 billion, 10x 18.8 billion market cap, 20x 37.6 billion, and 100x 188 billion. So what's the closest match to 188? Ethereum and potentially Bitcoin. So if Ethereum and Bitcoin can reach that in the last couple of years since 2009, potentially can waves reach that? It is yet to be seen. So let's see what's happening on the next slide. We have the social sentiment. So this is on LunarCrush right now. Galaxy score 54 out of 100. Alt rank number 3 out of 3,585. Correlation rank 32.5. And you can see across all the social engagement, we have the volume, engagement, dominance, contributions, the sentiment, shared links, and Twitter volumes are up in terms of percentage. Reddit, of course, slightly down by 29.5. So wave social sentiment, according to the current wave price prediction, the value of wave will drop 0.53 and reach at 18.64 by March 6, 2022. And according to the technical indicators, the current sentiment is bullish while the fear and greed index currently is neutral. Now wave recorded a 16 out of 30 days green days with a 13.64 price volatility over the last 30 days. And as based on the forecast, it is a good time to buy. Again, guys, do your own research. This is not financial advice, but just raising awareness. So what is Wave? So Wave is a cryptocurrency platform with a corresponding same name, which was launched in 2016 following an IGO which raised about 30,000 Bitcoin. Now the aim of the platform is to facilitate the trading digital assets of all kind of real-world commodities. A Russian physicist, Sasha, is the creator of Waveform. Using the Wave token, anyone can create their own custom token and trade on the Wave platform. Now, a number of companies have held ICOs using Wave. Decentralized design is one of its primary selling point. The platform is known as a DEX or decentralized exchange, and is intended to be highly scalable with the ability to conduct over 1,000 transactions per second, so TPS. Of course, the Wave was launched in 2016 after an initial an ICO and raised about 16 million on Bitcoin. Right at the time of this platform, the chief development officer described Waves as being a combination of Ripple next to Tether in terms of how it operates. So current price of Wave right now is $18.76. It's ranked 65 on CoinGecko. Not too bad. Of course, the price can be subjective, but total supply is 100 million. Circulating supply 100 million. Market cap right now is 1.8 billion. All-time high $43. All-time low 13 cents. Current price 18.76. We have to check the charts, guys. Sometimes it doesn't mean that the $18 can reach $43. It could potentially be when they launched, it was actually recorded at 43, and then it took a nosedive potentially. We have to actually see how that looks on the chart. Again, today is just more on the price prediction and not technical trading. So of course, risk disclosure, if you're planning to buy some of Wave, just be know that in terms of crypto, the volatility can fluctuate, so it can be risky. So of course, highlights for this coin: price has increased by 100% in the last 1 year, outperformed 70% of the top 100 crypto in 1 year, 16 green days in the last 30 days, high liquidity with 2.25 billion trading volume, currently trading on Binance. Downside, currently from the all-time high, it is a 57% discount if you were to buy it today. So of course, this is more for awareness. It involves risk variables, and of course, please seek professional advice before trading. This is more again from an education standpoint. So if you guys new to this channel, do subscribe, do like, do join us in our Telegram group. We are producing one live video daily, and remember that this is more for educational purpose. We have covered over 500 over videos on interviews, how to crypto trends, tokenomics, NFT, and blockchain. So if you have any questions, always can write to us. If you have any comments, you can always check it out. So I'm gonna hand over to Manish for the next segment. Manish, take it away.
Yeah, thanks, Wayne. So, guys, today we are going to cover though is a bear market, and we are down. Our entire portfolio is down almost. I would say that half of the investment. So, in this, let's focus on some 4-5 coins which we should put it in our watch list and see what is the benefit we are going to get it. So, crypto market are expected to remain volatile for the foreseeable futures, but BTC battle to reclaim 40,000 could be followed with a reliance from Luna, Avex, Atom, and Fdm. So we are going to keep eyes on these 5 coins, and let's see why we have to keep eyes on it. So let's get some concept. So geopolitical news follow are likely to result in volatile move in Bitcoin and altcoin in the next few days. News for Russia President Mr. Vladimir Putin ordering the nuclear deterrence force on high alert may be viewed as a negative, but the report of talks between the warring nations could be a positive as it raises hope of an end to the conflict. The crypto community came into a focus as the Ukraine government called for a help and shout crypto donations. Some individuals on a social media said their Ukraine credit card has stopped working and they are not able to withdraw money from their bank. They highlighted how crypto has the only money left with them. While some analysts says and projecting that the Bitcoin may have a bottomed out, Cointelegraph contributor Marshall Pickman warned that derivatives data remains inclusive. Similarly, either future data was also not painting a huge bullish picture. The near term price actions will be dictated by the development in the Russia Ukraine war. Let's study the chart of the top 5 cryptocurrency that may lead the recovery on the news of a peaceful resolutions to the ongoing conflicts. So the first one is a BTC, guys, a BTC paired with USDT. So Bitcoin a rebound of February, the 24 day low at 34,322 and reached the moving average on February 26. Whereas the bear are mounting a strong resistance. However, the minor positive is the bull have not given up much ground. The moving average and flattening out that the relative strength index RSI is attempting to rise to the midpoint, signaling the bull are making a comeback. If a bull drive or sustain the price above moving average, the BTC USDT pair could relay to the overhead resistance at 45,821. So this level is likely to be attract a strong selling by a bear. So contrary to these assumptions, if the price turns down from the moving average, the pair could consolidate between 39,600 and 36,250 for a few days. A break and close below the support could open the door for the possible drop to 32,000, as you can see here in the chart. The 4-hour chart shows that the price has been trading in the tight range between 38,200 and 39,600. The rising 20 exponential moving average, which is called EMA, and the RSI just above the midpoint indicators a minor advantage to a buyer. A breakout and close above 39,600 could push the price to 41,000 and thereafter to 42,000, the bear is likely to mount a strong resistance in the zone. If the price turn down from the zone but does not dip back 39,600, it will suggest that the sentiment has changed and from sell on a rely to buy on dip. That could increase the prospect of the constitutional of the up move. Conversely, a break and close below 38,200 will indicate aggressive selling near 39,600 and the pair could gain a drop towards 36,250. The next one we have it is Luna USDT. Terra Luna token picked up a bullish momentum after breaking up and closing above the downtrend line. A strong buying pushed the price above the minor resistance at the $70 on February 25, and you can see the chart down here. The moving average are on the verge of a bullish crossover, but the RSI is near the overbought zone. This suggests bull have the upper hand, but the Luna USDT pair could witness a minor corrections or a consolidation in the near terms. On the downside, the bull are likely to defend the breakdown level at 670 and the below at the 20-day EMA, which is a $60. So it's over here, you can see here. So if a bull defend the 20 EMA, the possibility of the continual of the uptrend increase. The pair could rise above $80 and later relate the overhead resistance zone between 84 to 87, and conversely, if the price turn down and slip below 70, the pair could drop to $64. The next one we should keep eyes on it is Avex. Avalanche has been trending inside the descending channel for the past few days. The price broke below moving average on February 20, but the bull reclaimed the level on February 25, indicating the strong at lower level. You can see here at the lower level. The bull will now attempt to push the price to a downtrend line of the descending channel. This is important level to watch out for because the break and close above it will indicate a possible change in the trend. The Avex USDT pair could first rely on $100 and thereafter start up move to $120. Alternatively, if the price turned down from the downtrend line, the pair could drop to the moving average and the price rebound of the level, the possibility of a break above the channel increase. So this bullish view will evaluate if the price turn down from the current level or the overhead resistance and a breakdown below $70. So the price has been trending between the overhead resistance at $83 and the moving average. The 20 EMA is flattening out. The RSI is near the midpoint, indicating the balance between supply and demand. So the balance will shift in favor of the bear if they pull the price below $76. The pair could not drop the next support at 73. Alternatively, if the price rebound of the current level and break above 83, the pair could pick up a momentum and relay to the overhead resistance zone, which is $97 to $100. So the next one we should keep eyes on is Atom, which is Cosmo Atom rebounded from the strong support at $20 on February 24. This indicates that traders are attempting to keep $20 to $45 range intact. You see here. Okay, so the price rose above the 20-day EMA, $27 on February 26th, and the bull are attempting to sustain the Atom USDT pair above the level. So 20-day EMA is flattening out. The RSI is above the midpoint, indicating that the bull are attempting to a comeback. If the bull drive and sustain the price above 50-day simply moving average, which is SMA, $31, the pair could relay to $37. Contrary to this assumptions, if the price turn down and slip below the 20-day EMA, it will suggest that the bear are defending the overhead resistance at the 50-day SMA. The pair could drop even below $24. So if the pair sustain above the downtrend line, the bull will attempt to clear the barrier at the 31 and push the price to 34. Contrary to these assumptions, if the price turn down and slip down to a 20 EMA, the price may drop to the 50 SMA. So the next one we should keep eyes is Fdm Usdt, which is Phantom, has been trending inside the large between $1.24 to $3.38 for the past several months. Price rebounded sharply off the support of the range on February 24, indicating the bull continued to buy at the level. So the rebound has reached the 20-day EMA, which is $1.82, which is acting as a strong resistance. If the bull drives and sustain the price above the level, the FTM USDT pair could reach 50-day SMA, which is $2.18, and a break above the level could clear the path for a possible up to $2.60. So the moving average have completed a bullish crossover, and at the 4-hour chart indicating that the short term down, this is the one, short term down, downtrend could be over. If the price rebounds off the moving average, it will suggest the trend up buying on a dip. The buyer will then attempt to push the sustain the price above the downtrend line. If they manage to do that, the pair could rise $2.14 and then $2.40. The positive view will indicate in the short term if the pair sustains below the moving average. The view and opinion expressed are is basically from the Cointelegraph, and our analysis also says that we should keep eyes on this five important tokens, and we have seen there is a upward trends in the BTC in yesterday trend, if you see that. So that's all we have it. I have it for today, and then let's check out what is the market update. And
Yeah,
yeah,
thanks, Manish. So currently now we are neutral. This is T minus 1. But however, don't be fooled by the current almost look like a bull run because the fear index still currently is at a midpoint and it's not even coming up to close to the 75 or 75 and above region, right, to indicate confidence. Maybe we might see that in tomorrow's activity, so we may not be in the bull. And of course today, very nice to see. It's been a while since we've seen a very nice pump, at least for 10%. But looking of course at Bitcoin from the bottom, which was on the 24th of Feb, just a couple days back, to this tip, which is about close to 44,000. This is about a 30% move with just within a span of days due to the current war. Can they break the resistance of 46,000? That is yet to be seen. Hopefully we can, but we can see very large volumes that's going overbought currently on the RSI. Money flow is coming in. You can see more volume of bulls coming in, as well as the momentum that is shooting up. So of course, price for this, the top 10 coins, we have VeChain Tor, coin of the day, followed by Waves, which we have covered today in the video, Torchain, Near Protocol, Axie Infinity, UMA, KNC, Metis token, VRA, Shiba Inu, and Phantom in the 10th place. So we have 17,000 cryptos, 400 over exchanges. Market cap, guys, is at 1.9 trillion. So if you are planning to buy into certain coins, you got to really find the gem, diamond in the rough. So trading volume, of course, has increased. Bitcoin and Ethereum take 60%. So top 10 coins, last 24 hours, Bitcoin up by 7%, Ethereum up by 5%, BNB up by 6%, XRP up by 3%, Luna up by 5%, Solana up by 3%, Cardano has been a very good mover in the last 2 days. A lot of contents has been churning out for Cardano. So if you're planning to buy some Cardano, a good suggestion, especially in your Singapore, just purchase it on CoinHako, leave it there, and when this run hits that certain max point, you can actually sell it back and get back your money into the Singapore banks. So of course our top 10 is Avex at trading at $87. So still not out of the bear. Just take note, guys. And of course, if you are new to this channel, do subscribe, join us, and like this video. That's all I have today. I'm going to hand over back to Manish for the tweet of the day. Manish, take it away.
So As we cover the article where the top 5 cryptocurrencies which we keep eyes on this coming week, there's update is coming from Avalanche. Exciting news today. FX official has enabled a USDC deposit and withdrawal for the Avalanche C chain. So remember to double check you are sending USDC and USDCe. I think you can check out this feature is enabled today. That will give a potential boost to this token. So that's all I have it, and see you guys tomorrow. Till then,
Take care, guys. See you
bye-bye.
tomorrow, same time, same channel. Bye for now.
Diamonds on your neck, bet they on your neck. You want that watch, you better rock it tech. You want the chain, you better cop a vest. You want the check, but can you make it stretch?